Did you know Harriet Tubman could fall unconscious at any second with zero warning, and she still led dozens of people through the most dangerous escape routes in American history? When she was a teenager, a slave master threw a heavy metal weight at another enslaved person. It hit Tubman in the head instead. The damage was permanent. For the rest of her life, she suffered sudden blackouts she could not predict and could not stop. And then she freed over 70 people anyway. 13 missions, hundreds of miles, armed patrols in every direction, and a body that could drop her in the middle of all of it. She did not wait until she was healed. She did not wait until the condition was gone. She moved through it. That is the thing most people misunderstand about courage. It is not the absence of limitation. It is action taken inside of it. You are not waiting for perfect conditions. You are waiting for permission you already have. Start anyway.